In this video, we're going to go through the property module. In order to do that, you're going to go to the stationboss.net platform and log in. You'll be brought to the desktop view. Scroll down to where you see property tab on the left hand side. Select that. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select the existing property here. You have the ability of importing properties if you already have your properties in an Excel sheet or CSV format. Other than that, you can select the Create Property tab at the top right. We'll go ahead and run through an existing one here. So every property is going to be assigned an account number. Whenever you save, you'll be able to log the owner's information here. You'll be able to select a property type. We'll go ahead and hit edit just so you can see some things here. You can create your own property types, but we also have a selected list of predetermined ones here. In this case, this is a single family residential. You'll select or enter in a street number as well as a street. In order to do the street, you do need to go through and add your streets in. If you have not already done that, then you can also import those as well. Apartment, city, state, and zip code. Pretty basic stuff there. If you guys already do fire dues, or also known as fire contracts, this next tab here is going to be for you. You have three options, to send out these fire dues. You got mail, text message, and email. And then if you do select mail, what this will do is this will be sent over to an automatic printer that will go through and print stuff and put the postage on it and then mail it out directly to your customer. If the property does not need to be billed for whatever reason, you can select this here, and at that point no property fire dues will be ran on that particular property. Then the fire due rates. This is some areas may have different rates for commercial versus residential, for example. So you can go through and build your own rates into this, and these rates are based on, you can do flat rate or a percentage. You can assign it a name, a rate, and if we do a percentage, you'll see you can go ahead and enter in that percentage to there. Then your fire dues cost here, of course, is going to be calculated based on the rate that you select. And then you have a status of active. Active renewal sent is for whenever the fire dues have already been rebilled out but haven't actually been paid yet. And then you've got your fire dues effective date and expiration date. So this just allows you to track whether or not somebody has subscribed to your fire service in your area or not. We'll go ahead and move into your property attributes. You can assign here assign station, assign a hydrant, and if you guys use ESNs in your area, then you can go ahead and assign an ESN as well, along with the property value. The property value field is used inside the incident reports. It just makes filing your incident reports just that much easier because it pulls the information over from this field over to it. And then if you have an area where you cover city limits and some areas you don't, then you may go ahead and select city limits if it's within the city limit option. That's all there is to the property module here. You do have the ability of going ahead and doing pre-plans. You've got some basic information here as far as your assigned hydrants and stations and so on. But if you want more detailed information such as aerial views, floor layouts and things like that, you can go ahead and create you a pre-plan. But once you've done that, you can just go and hit the save button, and then at that point this will be stored here. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to support services. We appreciate you watching.